Hello guys, and finally Apple released the M1 Max. This is an insane event in the Apple's history. The entire Apple history has been rewritten now, and today we will be talking about the new iMacs, the M1 iMacs that have the new processor, the M1 processor, and the new completely redesigned design with the keyboard, mouse, trackpad, and new great features, external changes and internal changes. So let's begin. So first of all, these new iMacs come in new colors, as you might have already guessed, and these new colors are blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and white, if I'm not mistaken. And so these iMacs have new design, and internally, because of the M1 chip, they are actually far better. Their screen is far better. Everything in them is far better than in the previous models. So for example, these iMacs have 24-inch screen display, which is probably larger than the previous models. And finally, what we have waited for so much, the 1080p FaceTime HD camera that captures different layers of the video and transforms it into one almost ideal video quality, which is amazing. These M1 Macs have different design because they have the M1 in them. They are actually able to have a thinner design, way thinner than before. It's 11.5 millimeters thin, which is just unbelievable change to the iMacs during the history of the iMacs. And now these new iMacs, as you are seeing right now on your screen, have new speakers and audio quality, so everything is heard very well, and so because of these vibrations that they have. And the iMacs can also, on these new iMacs, the iPhone and iPad apps can also be played. They are 85% faster CPU, 2 times faster graphics, and 50% faster graphics than the high-end 27-inch iMacs. And there are 3 times faster machine learning machines. Now, also, with these new iMacs, Apple introduced some very cool features, and one of them is basically the connectivity between the iPhone and the iMacs that a person has. And now I know you are seeing many things on your screen at the moment, and we will discuss each of them individually. So stick around till the end of this video. And first, subscribe, of course. And so, these iMacs are actually coming with new keyboards, and there are 3 options for the keyboards. First one that you are seeing right now with the new emoji, do not disturb, and the voice control keys. And another one is, wow guys, with the Touch ID. Finally, with the Touch ID that allows also people with only a touch to switch between users. And the third keyboard is with the Touch ID and with numeric keyboard. And of course, to match all these great colors of the iMacs and the keyboards, Apple is also introducing the matching mouses and trackpads, which is just amazing, of course. And now, so these Macs are way thinner than the previous models, way faster than the previous models, way better than the previous models. Everything is just amazing in these Macs, with the better colors, with the wide gamut spectrum, with the Touch ID. Guys, can you imagine? We have Touch ID on the Mac keyboards. This has been rumored for so long, and people have wanted this feature, this change for so long, and we are finally getting this amazing thing over here. And these Macs have best sound system ever in a Mac that has been released before. And in accordance with the Big Sur, the macOS Big Sur, and the relationship between macOS Big Sur and M1 chip actually create an absolute beast Macs, as you can see. So yeah, again, you were seeing how fast and how good these iMacs are with the 3 times faster machine learning, as I've already mentioned. And so right now you are seeing the new feature, which is, this connection between the iMacs and the iPhones and other Apple devices that you have. One of those features is that, for example, you can copy in the iPhone something and then you can paste it in the Mac, which is thanks to the universal keyboard or something. And so these Macs also can come, and these Macs on the backside have 4 ports for USB-C ports, and 2 of them are actually Thunderbolt ports, which is also very interesting. And so these Macs, an interesting thing about these Macs, which is also quite revolutionary, I guess, is that they have the different cable that attaches to them from the back side, which is now magnetic, and this cable actually fits and matches the color of the iMac that has been purchased, which is just like very good, very close attention to details from Apple's side. And I think we will see that new cable in just a second. So let's just wait for it, just a couple of seconds. So again, up to 4 USB-C ports, 2 of which are Thunderbolt ports, and now here we are. As you can see, this cable is magnetic, which just makes the iMac experience flawless. And so it just connects like this, and then you can connect it to the power adapter. So this is like how the new iMacs work, with very, 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 very good sound, with very, 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 very good graphics, and speed. Speed is actually amazing. As you can see, this is how fast these new iMacs can open up the applications, because they, again, have M1 chip in them, which has shown that it's leader in the computer industry, well, at least for majority of the people. And so let's recap what we've learned right now. So these iMacs have new cables, new keyboards, new mouses, new trackpads, new colors, new design, new speakers, new camera, which is actually amazing, 1080p, and all these new changes are only starting at from $12.99 and up to $14.99 with the 8-core GPU, 8-core CPU. And this is basically it. And you can order on April 30th, and they will start shipping these new iMacs in middle of the May, basically. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!